how to switch. In this video we are going to learn how to switch the node versions. If you have already installed the NVM, okay, so you need to know about how to switch the versions between various node versions. Suppose currently it's node 14, so I want to switch to my node 16 version. So what I need to do is I need to use NVM, okay, use, I need to add the version of this one, okay, copy this and paste this, okay. So it will show you that you need to run this command. You just copy this, okay, paste it. It will add your 16 version. If I go and check node version, node minus v, so currently node 16 is there, okay. If you want to make it default, then you can use NVM use default version number. So here you need to add the version number, copy and paste. Okay, so now using node version 14 and npm v18, right? I want to use latest version node 18. Okay, currently we have installed this one v18.14, so I can use this one. So nvm use version, we can type 18. It is not installed, so let's install and check. Okay, so node version is node minus v is 18.4.0. Okay, so this is how you can play with the versions with the help of the NVM. So if your various projects which are not running on the 18, not running on 14, then you want to switch on the projects, you can use this NVM, and you can play with that versions and you can run your projects accordingly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this with watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment on my video. Have a great day.